Hello! Today we're going to be cooking in the kitchen with essential oils. And I know I'm usually talking to moms. Moms, we're busy. We want to have something fast, and I have a special treat for you today. It's going to be super yummy, super quick, and your kids are going to love it. Today I also have with me Joanna, and the reason I love to cook with Joanna is because she's one of my experts, someone I look up to a lot because she knows how to cook. She knows her way around the kitchen. So we're going to be cooking a little bit together today.
Yeah, it's fun.
Okay, one of the things I love to do is I love to support families and uplift moms and empower moms to find all natural solutions for your family's health, whether it's for mind, your body, your mood, everything in between. I love to support, and I love to help moms figure out different solutions so they don't have to have those expensive drugs with the nasty side effects. We want to be all healthy and as natural as we can be. Today, what we're going to be making is the yummiest and the simplest fruit dip. You know how you want to get your kids to eat as many vegetables and fruits as you possibly can? Well, I know this is a little bit on the sweet side, but we all need a treat every once in a while, and at the same time, they're going to be diving into the fruit and loving it. Okay, so this is how simple it is. There's only 4 ingredients. It's not complicated. Really simple.
So it has to be softened, right? The cream cheese?
Yes. So the cream cheese we already put here in the bowl, and it's been out for over an hour. That's about how long you want to have it to be really soft and really easy to go. Okay, and then you want to, the sweet stuff. The sweet stuff is marshmallow cream, and the recipe actually calls for a 7-ounce jar, and I bought this one was twice as big, so I'm going to just spoon it out.
What else do you use marshmallow cream for? I think I usually, like, for fudge or something. Do you usually?
In fudge. I can't right now think what else I use it for.
The good thing is that you're using it to put with apples.
Yep.
So.
Well, and the fruit that you can put it with, I mean, you could choose anything between strawberries and blueberries. You could add in some bananas or pineapple, peaches, you name it. Yeah. Anything can go in this.
So yeah, and then the kids get the gooey and the healthy at the same time. That's a good idea. And I think that the next ingredient is a teaspoon of vanilla.
So I'll stick that in there.
Yeah. Oh.
Sorry.
There we go. Okay. So there goes a teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay, we've got a teaspoon of vanilla. And the last ingredient, there's, like I said, 4 ingredients. So we already have the cream cheese. We need 8 ounces of that. 7 ounces of marshmallow cream. Then the touch of vanilla, which is 1 teaspoon will do, right? The last, this is the sweetness, right? Wild orange. Okay, wild orange, we love this essential oil because it's boosting our mood. It's the happy oil. We love how it smells. And Joanna, you're a little bit new to essential oils. Let me have you smell that wild orange.
That smells so good. You know I love smells.
Heaven in the bottle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're just gonna put about 8 to 10 drops. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do 9 in there and see how that goes. And then all you need is just to mix it up. Okay, so you just wanna mix that up until it's not lumpy and it just looks really creamy and all mixed together.
Let's do it.
I like to mix it in a big bowl so it doesn't splatter everywhere, but let's just
one
do
all
a
right?
small one. Perfect. Okay, so there's our fruit dip. Now you guys know how to make this really fancy, right? You could put it in the middle of a beautiful tray surrounded by a very beautiful color of all these different fruits. Today we're gonna try some apples with our fruit dip. And
you know what I used to do with the kids is I have a container that was round. I think I threw it away because the kids are out of the house, and it had little separators with a circle in the middle, and I would put raisins and fruits and nuts all around, and then the dip in the middle. So you could do that with this.
Anything.
Yeah.
Okay, this is to die for. It's so delicious. Your kids are going to be dipping and loving all of your fruit. You can use this for any type of party. You can use it for a picnic. You can use it just because you're ready to have it at home. And it tastes amazing. I think it tastes kind of like a creamsicle with that extra little bit of wild orange in it. It's so good.
I think you can also use like a muffin tin and put all kinds of fruits and stuff in there, and then
Have
put
that
this
mix.
in one of the little things. You could do that too for kids. They love like any. My kids loved it when I did that because it's like a treat.
I know, they're gonna think you went out of your way to make this amazing treat for them, but they're gonna be eating that wild orange too. Uplift is gonna give some great mood uplift in it, and they're gonna think you're an amazing mom. So enjoy that fun little snack and have fun with your family. Enjoy time with the kids. And if you guys like this video and want to see more videos just like this and other ways that we can use essential oils and natural remedies in our home, go ahead and click that subscribe button. We'll keep bringing you some great videos in the future. Thanks everyone. Thanks Joanna.
Thanks, Lynn. Thanks.